Hello, my name is Chris Anderson, and I have been in the computer industry for 20 plus years, and I decided to write my book. This book is a beginner book for the person who has never really got a chance to touch a computer. They understand it, maybe they have fear, maybe they don't know what they know and what they don't know, but they want to start learning about computers. If this is you, that's what this book is about. This book, Understanding Computer Basics, starts off at a very entry level and then goes up a little more advanced as you get into it. But it's very, very simple terms. We start off with hardware, computer hardware. What's a hard drive? What's a mouse? How do I use a mouse? How do I go through and do computer terms? After hardware, then I move into software. Talk about Windows, talk about Apple, talk about the Apple OS, Linux, all these different types of operating systems. How do they engage with the computer? After that, I go into networking. How do we connect computers? What is a network? Do I need a network? Is it something more important than something else? I cover all of that as well. I do cover going a little more technical on it. I do cover the TCP/IP, IP addresses, subnet masks, and then I go into IPv6. So if you're interested in the new internet going forward, the Internet of Things, yeah, this is a great introduction book for that. I go through, after that, we go into a little bit of security, file safety, file measurements, Microsoft Office, and then kind of wrap it up. I absolutely feel it's important that you're able to get objectives. What are you going to learn as you go into each chapter? And then also there's going to be a post follow-up test at the end for you to go through and say, hey, did I learn something? You know, do you get to fill in the blanks? Yes, you do. Did you fill them in correctly? Well, I go through in the very back of the book and I have an answer section for you that match up exactly for the questions in place. So all of that information is right here in the book. This is a great introduction book. I think the individuals that I've had look at it so far, fellow students and instructors, they all said, wow, what a great, simple book. You keep it real simple, easy, life tangible events, you know, that make sense as you go through and try to learn this new subject called computers. So with that, you know, I'd had a great time with this book. I wrote it for you, and I think that this book here is, you know, it's my passion, but at the same time, I really wrote it for people like you, looking at this book that want to learn computers, but you don't understand the high level technical geek talk that, you know, IT fields ends up having. You want something simple terms, simple, easy to understand, and that's what this book is all about. It's simple and easy, and that's why I wrote it for people like you. With that said, thank you, and I hope you enjoy my book.